Thinking about moving into a new apartment in Boston? Don't let stress take over. Planning ahead is the key to a smooth transition. Whether you're upgrading to a bigger space or starting fresh in a new neighborhood, here are the essential steps to make your Boston apartment move smooth and stress-free. This isn't just about picking a move-out date. Each phase helps you stay organized and ready. 8 weeks out, book your movers. We recommend, of course, Better Life Moving, a fully licensed and insured Boston-based company known for reliable service and flexible scheduling. 6 weeks out, order packing supplies, boxes, bubble wrap, labels, and tape. 4 weeks out, declutter, donate or toss what you don't need. 2 weeks out, notify your landlord and utility providers, forward your mail, and update your address with banks. 1 week out, confirm parking permits and elevator access at both locations. Now it's time to pack efficiently. Label each box clearly, protect fragile items with bubble wrap, and use color-coded stickers to track room destinations. Grab these essentials early. Boxes of all sizes, high-quality tape, bubble wrap and stretch film, furniture pads, permanent markers. When booking your movers, don't wait. Peak season in Boston runs May through September. Better Life Moving offers competitive rates, trained teams, and transparent quotes, whether you're in Boston or nearby cities like Malden or Somerville. Ask the right questions. Are you licensed by the FMCSA? What's included in your flat rate or hourly fee? Do you handle stairs or elevators? Can you provide recent reviews? With Better Life Moving, the answer is yes, every time. Their customer reviews and satisfaction ratings speak for themselves. At your new place, check off items using your inventory list and inspect for any damage. Better Life Moving is fully insured, giving you peace of mind from start to finish. After the move, don't forget to set up utilities. Eversource for electricity and gas, Boston Water and Sewer, and providers like RCN or Comcast for internet. Schedule early to avoid service gaps. Unpack essentials first: bedding, bathroom items, and kitchenware. Color-coded labels make this part easy. Assemble furniture, then organize storage for a clutter-free space. From packing and permits to unloading and setup, Better Life Moving is here to make your life better, 7 days a week. Start smart, stay organized, and let Better Life Moving take the weight off your shoulders.